Good afternoon, everyone. Forecaster Jacob Melton coming to you from the Southern Michigan Weather Center just after 2:30 on this Thursday afternoon. And I want to just take this time to provide a little update on our significant severe weather potential as we head into later this afternoon into this evening. Starting with satellite and radar composite imagery over the last few hours, shows the rain showers that we had around the area this morning into early this afternoon are starting to fade away. And we are also all starting to see the cloud cover fade away as well, especially to our south and west. As the cloud cover continues to fade away from southwest to northeast, that will allow the atmosphere to destabilize ahead of this evening's severe weather potential. Looking at the latest severe weather outlook from our partners at the Storm Prediction Center, very good portion of our area, especially southeast and Grand Rapids, you are under a level 3 out of 5 risk of severe weather as we head into later this afternoon into this evening. The main threat with the strongest storms this evening will be damaging winds, and especially in the level 3 area, some of those winds may exceed 75 miles per hour, which would be hurricane force. Some large hail and isolated tornado potential will exist as well, but one thing to keep in mind, the straight line winds some areas may see this evening will be the same equivalent to a weak tornado. So I would advise you treat severe thunderstorm warnings this evening as tornado warnings, and take tornado precautions, whether that be basement, small interior loom away from windows, center of your home, and whatever you need to do to protect yourself. Another concern with these storms this evening will be localized flooding due to heavy rainfall. And that especially holds true from the areas that already had heavy rainfall last night and early this morning, such as the Metro Detroit area, where we had some areas see between 5 to 7 inches of rainfall already. Any additional rain that we see, especially if it's heavy enough this evening, will only exacerbate the already ongoing flooding issues across the area. And our severe weather threat should come to an end from northwest to southeast overnight tonight as the storms push away. And after that, we look to be done with the severe weather threat for the next little while as the pattern changes. It is imperative you have multiple ways to receive watch and warning information as we head through this evening. We will keep you advised the best we can using our social media platforms, but we cannot cover every single area at once. So have your ways of receiving warnings, whether that be NOAA weather radio, mobile apps, the wireless emergency alerts on your cell phone, and stay safe as we head through the evening tonight. Jacob Melton coming to you from the Southern Michigan Weather Center, wishing you a great rest of your Thursday.